Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete saved jobs on Upwork. I wonder why you want to know how to delete saved jobs on Upwork. Maybe because you have saved a lot of jobs over the time and now you no longer need them. Or maybe you have mistakenly saved a wrong job and now you want to get rid of this. And you don't know how to delete the saved jobs. Or maybe there is any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Upwork app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Upwork to open it. Once it gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options all over the screen. Here at the bottom, we have 5 different options. All these options are different from each other, but we have to go to the first option, which is on the left bottom side of the screen. This is a job section where we could find different jobs. Once you get here, you will see that we have a lot of jobs all over our screen. So to delete a saved job, first we have to do is that we have to save a job, and once the job gets saved, then we will see how we can delete it. So for example, there's a job in front of the screen. If you want to save it, you have to click on this option. But again, if you want to unsave it, what you have to do is you have to again click on it and it get unsaved when the color of the heart gets changed from dark green to white. But if we refresh the screen, the job gets disappear. So now we will see that how we could find that jobs that are saved a long time ago and now you want to delete them. So for that we have a heart which is on the top right side of the screen. This one, once you click on it, you will find all the saved jobs that you have saved over that time. You have to simply click on it and then the saved jobs will appear. So now if you want to unsave any one of these, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on the heart which is on the right side of the job, this one. Once you click on it, it will just take a while and after that the job gets deleted. So that's how you can delete all the jobs or maybe the specific jobs of your choice. You can delete them if you think that you no longer need them or maybe the dates have been crossed or it could be any reason for you to delete the jobs. Once you're done with all that, what you could do is you just get back and can again save the job. This was the easiest way I know through which you can delete the saved job on Upwork. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.